Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project Helpdesk Ticketing System. And I have developed this project in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. Spring Boot version I am using Spring Boot version 2.1.6 release. Angular version I am using Angular version 14, and MySQL version I am using 5.6. For connecting MySQL with Java Spring Boot means microservices. I am using JPS services and the Hibernate, right? So for ID, I'm using STS Spring Boot tool suites for developing the Spring Boot application, and Visual Studio Code for developing Angular application, and the Jam server for for MySQL, right? So these all technology stacks and ID I'm using for developing this project, right? For port, I'm using port 8080 for running the microservices, means a Spring Boot application, and port 4200 for Angular applications, right? So these are the port details. So let's start with the functionality, go through that, what are the features available, what are the functionalities we have developed inside this project, right? So the project title is Help Desk Ticketing System, and this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. There are two types of user. There is a user and there is an admin, right? So if you run this project on 4200, right, on the browser, then you will get this home page. You can see this is the home page, right? There is nothing dynamic on it. It's a totally static page. You can change the details and images, right, directly from the HTML. This is about project, and this is also a static page, right? This is a FAQ. All of the FAQ which has been added by admin will be displayed here. This is a dynamic page, and all of the FAQ is coming from the database, right? This is a login. This is a user login from where user can log in, and user can create or raise a ticket, right? This is admin login from where admin can log in and admin can see all of the tickets, right? This is a registration. From here user can register, and after that he can raise the tickets. This is a contact us, and this is a dynamic contact us page, and if any user submit the information from this, then it will be visible to the admin. The same for the feedback page, and if any user submit the feedback, then it will be visible to the admin. So let's start with the user login, right? So user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. If you log inside the system, you will get this dashboard, right? So you can see this is the menu bar, right? The for admin and for user, right? Both for both we are using the same layout, right? But the above menu will be changed according to the rules. So let me go through the functionality. So this is a raise ticket. From here user can register ticket, right? So there are certain more fields here, but this will not be visible to user, right? So user can select the ticket priority and the ticket title, right? So I need, suppose, Java software. So I need Java software. This is required for the project development, right? Okay, he can submit it, right? Once he submit the ticket, then he will be able to see all of this his ticket, right? Not for other users, right? So this is I need Java software, right? The priority is low, right? Because user choose the load priority, and if user click on this, then he will be able to see the details of ticket, right? So he will be able to see the details. Even user can comment like kindly expedite, right? I need this software urgently. This software urgently, right? And if you click on the submit comment, then it will be displayed here, right? And admin can also see that, right? So this is a my tickets, right? And if you want to change the status, then he can change the status also, like from this right? He can change it. Okay, low priority, it's a high priority, right? So now the mark is red here, right? The icons are dynamic, right? It's coming according to the category, right? So this is the user, right? This is a my account from where user can update his account and the logout. Once this is a session driven menu, and if user click on logout, then the session will be destroyed and the menu will be changed, right? You can see menu has changed. Now I'm going to log in as an admin. So the user ID is admin.com and password is test. Once you log in, then you can see that a lot of options are available here, right? It's more than the user because dashboards are different, the menus are different. You can see menus are also different because menus are rendered according to the session, according to the rules, right? So let me go through one by one, right? So home I already explained you dashboard about. So you can jump on the page either clicking here or either clicking here, right? So add user from here, admin can add any number of user, add tickets. So you can see the ticket page is different here, right? User admin can select the user and the category and the status, right? What is the status? So these select user and select status was not visible for user because it has the limited rights. So add category. So add category from here. If admin wants to add a new category, then he can add from here. This is add FAQ, right? And this is FAQ, right? So what the things you are seeing on the home page, the FAQ section will be added from here. These are reports. This is all ticket reports. You can see the tickets are numbers are higher as compared to user because admin can see tickets for all users, right? So you can see here. Suppose if I want to change this, right? So admin can also comment here, right? So admin can post the comment, right? So ticket report, and if I want to change, okay, pending to resolved, right? So I can submit it and you can see this has been resolved, right? And anything admin can edit in any ticket. This is the ticket, this is a category report, this is a high priority, and this is the image. So what I was showing, right? So there was icon coming on the ticket, right? So these icons are those priority icons. This is a user reports. From here admin will be able to see all of the users, and this is FAQ report. All of the FAQ what you have added will be displayed here. And this is a contact us report. All of the contact us what user has submitted from the home page, from the front end, will be displayed here. And this is a feedback report. All of the feedback will be displayed here, right? And the logout. So as I told you, this is a session driven. If I click on the logout, then session had destroyed and the menu has changed, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside the system, help desk ticketing system. And as I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. So if you need more functionality, if you need any enhancement in this project, just put it into the comment. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.